In today's video, I will talk about, is it appropriate to double the head gasket on each other? You put the first gasket and you put another one on top. That's a doubling of head gasket. Is it appropriate to do that? Where professionally it is inappropriate. It is not a good practice. It is unprofessional for you to double the head gasket on each other. Though many have done that and they will tell you that they have positive results. If you are watching this video and at a point you have doubled the head gasket, please go to the comment section and tell me your experience about that. In this video, I'm going to share you my experience of doubling the air gasket. The air gasket play a significant role in internal combustion engine. It seals the meeting point of the cylinder head and the engine block. When you double the air gasket, what you simply do is that you increase the clearance volume of the engine, and you have also reduced the compression of the engine. I'll tell you 3 disadvantages of doubling the head gasket. What usually results from doubling the head gasket? The first thing is that, one, when you double the head gasket, it is difficult for you to combat leakage. You always have leakage because for the 2 air gaskets to be on top of each other, there will be a little clearance between them that the coolant can escape or any fluid can escape there. So when you double the air gasket, you only have the problem of leakages. And the second thing is that you have reduced the compression of the engine. The further the piston is away from the cylinder head, you are simply reducing the compression of the engine. So by the time you double the head gasket, you have simply reduced the compression of the engine. And the third reason is that whatever reason that makes you to double the head gasket, doubling the head gasket is never a lasting solution to that problem. It is just a shortcut. It is not a lasting solution to that problem. Instead of you to double the head gasket, what can you do? You can go for a higher gasket, a thicker gasket. Let me do a thicker gasket. It will offer you what you want instead of to double the head gasket. Many have doubled the head gasket simply because of overheating. By the time you double the head gasket, the engine may not overheat again because, do you know what you have done? You have reduced the compression of the engine. So you may not have the overheat again, but the thing is that that's not the lasting solution of the problem. So when you double the gasket, you reduce the gap between the piston at TDC level and the top, the cylinder head. The gap is called clearance volume. That gap, you have increased the gap. By the time you double the head gasket, as you increase the gap, then you have simply reduced the compression of the engine. So the engine efficiency has been reduced as well. So it is not advisable for you to double the head gasket. So instead of that, look for the solution of the problem. If the problem is overheating, look for why the engine is overheating. If the engine blown the head gasket, then look for the solution. You need to resurface the deck of the block or whatever the problem. It is not always advisable for you to double your head gasket. I know some mechanics have practiced that and they have gotten results according to them. But you know what? That is just a shortcut. It's not a lasting solution. If you go to a well-established place, you will not be allowed to double the head gasket. Rather, you need to find out what is causing the problem and how the problem can be solved. Instead of the double the head gasket, you can look for a thicker gasket, put in the engine, and you still get a better result. Thank you for listening to me. Please like, share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mr. NG, thank you.